Mama Sue keep the fire blazing.
This I wanna go wild and versatile.
Because of what?
Mama Sue style.
So peeps, if you're watching this video for the first time, make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe and
hit that little notification bell.
ping! So when we put up new video, you will be
Notified.
Mama Sue. Mama Sue, Mama Sue, Mama Sue, Mama Sue. Cooking for me, say she cooking for you. And when the pot done cook, say we I go share the pot. Shh, she don't know about that. So Mama Sue, what upon the menu today?
Right now, peeps, I will cook some Ital StewPeas.
Okay,
Yes,
no
man.
meat.
No meat at
No
all.
chicken.
No chicken.
No pork.
No pork.
No pig tail.
No pig's
No
tail.
chicken foot.
No chicken foot. And no beef.
No
Ital
meat.
is
Vital.
Yes, peeps.
Yes.
You know.
So look, you pressure the peas already.
Yes, I pressure the peas before. So you know the peas take
A while for
yes,
yeah,
a while
yeah,
to cook.
yeah. Well, so you have a go on there. We see some
Right
natural
now.
seasoning over here, so
Yes, I'm going to put some coconut milk.
coconut milk.
Yes, peeps. And some spinners.
Some spinners.
And some
Veggie.
real.
Yeah, man. What that? Rosemary,
Yes.
scallion, bell pepper, carrot, and
Thyme.
the famous scotch bonnet.
Yes. And
Hold
some,
on, up to the what? Thyme. Or the rosemary there beside the thyme.
some white
Onion,
and some purple
onion and white. Oh, yes.
Yes.
All right, I'm going to keep the fire blazing now.
Yes, peeps.
Keep the fire blazing.
And another thing, peas.
Okay.
Beside that, I'm going to cook some brown rice.
Okay. Oh, special brown rice. That.
Yes, long grain brown rice.
Yeah.
Sodium free, cholesterol free, no saturated fat. Excellent source
Of
of
fiber.
fiber.
Good for
you.
Wild and versatile, man.
Mama Sue style.
Which is right.
Right now, peeps, we cut up the ingredient to put in the pot. Let me cut up some carrot. Then some pepper. Peeps, me not even know what kind of pepper is this. So it gives nice flavor. And then some green bell pepper. This I wanna go wild and versatile. That's a Mama Sue style. Let me say country style. Country style. Right now, peeps, I'm going to put in the rest of vegetable.
Looking good, Mama Sue. Already. Wow.
Ital.
Vital. This is the Rital. No meat. Oh my gosh, this is gonna taste so good. Yeah, peeps. You know, this I go cook right down to the gravy, you know.
Yes, peeps.
So you know, so when I cook stew peas now, your pig's tail with in it already, or your chicken foot, or your chicken back, or whatever you want to put in your neck bone and all of that. Yeah, shout out to all my Mama Sue American subscribers and fans.
Yes, peeps. The seasoning them now. This is Maggie.
Yeah.
Miss
The
Dash.
ultimate.
Mrs. Dash chicken seasoning.
Looking good, Mama Sue.
Salt free. Salt free. Well,
yes, peeps, so you don't know, you know.
and the one
If you scroll by and
organic.
bypass the video, you know, make sure you subscribe before you leave, you know. Yeah, man, make sure you like to, you know, you comment to, you know. Yeah, man. You're part of the family, man, you know. Natural vibes, you know, natural cooking. Yeah. Peace, love, and unity over here, you know. You see me, I say, right over here, so over Mama Sue kitchen, you know. A unity, we say, you know. Unity is strength. I love we deal with over here, so. That's why the cooking and the food, them always come out so beautiful, because guess what? Mama Sue, she cook from her heart. Yeah.
Yes,
And she's doing this out of love, you know. Irie. Yeah, man.
Yeah, Ital and salt free. Organic.
Yeah, man. Organic vegetables and herbs and everything, you know. Yeah. Ital is vital. At the right tal, you know.
So right now, peeps, I'm going to put in the people and favorite dumpling.
Spinners.
Spinners.
Original.
They call it original
So I go
spinners.
Mama Sue.
Spinners.
Alright.
See that, peeps? Spinners.
Yeah, man. So I go on. Spinners in the pot.
Winners in the winners.
The Ital pot.
The Ital pot. People. This one I go wild and versatile. You should be here to taste this Ital StewPeas. One of them one.
Yes, peeps. Ital stew a bubble. Everything in a trouble. Mama, so what is this? The rice.
Yes, the
Wow,
brown
wow.
rice with some coconut milk.
Mix it up, I could see what I go on now. Brown rice cooked down in a coconut milk.
Yes,
Trouble.
put some onion. Real brown rice, peeps. Real brown rice.
Yes, yes,
Not
yes.
the parboiled, the brown rice.
Real brown rice. As rice. That a good noise. Mix up the stew peas, the
Yes.
Mama, so me I said Ital stew, I should
See
say.
there?
Rich. That is rich. That is rich. This is rich, man. Look the peeps.
With some spinners.
Nice.
Aye.
Nice. Mix up again, Mama. So mix it up there. Ital, no meat. No meat.
Vital.
See the peeps? No meat no in it.
No meat.
No meat.
See?
Absolutely no meat.
Rosemary.
All herbs and spice and
Yes.
natural organic seasoning. Yeah, man.
Yes, peeps. The sheep duck.
Look the peeps.
No, Ital
Oh
stew
my
peas.
gosh.
Ital.
Beautiful. Peeps.
Rich.
But I'm sorry say you know they have to taste this. You know have to ask just by looking at it, you know say it tastes good. Trust me. If you can cook, just by looking upon this you can see say how rich and flavorful this is. Trust me. Mama so, let me try them. Let me try them, Mama so. Dip down there and shake off little in my hand. Let me see so I go on. Shake off little in my hand. You make this. Yeah, man. People say you want Tony, you know. See, grandma? Hold on the people. See it there? See it there, people. Oh my gosh. Mama so, no hesitation. Please. Take off the pot and share it for me there. Share out for me there. No hesitation. See it there, peeps. And I see Mama so have some vegetable on the side here. Ital. Hey, see my plate here, you know. Hold on the peeps. See rice here? You see your brown rice come out with the coconut milk? See it there? Brown rice in a coconut. We're not talking about no parboiled rice. No, this is real brown rice. Real brown rice. Yep. Alright, Mama, so ship dock, you know. Send me off in a small boat now. Send me off in a small boat there.
Yes, please.
Yeah, man. Send me off in a small boat. Please there. No joke. No joke.
No joke, brother.
No joke. See it there, peeps? See it there? Looking good. Yes, peeps, and my favorite time this now, shear time. Yes, Mama, so the peeps, real brown rice, you know. Yeah, Mama, so put more brown rice. But I think what the Mama so think a bird in my feet, peeps. I'm a big guy, Mama Sue. I'm a big guy, Mama.
And this is nice, good rice.
That's good, Mama. That's good. Yeah. Let's move over to the pot, Mama Sue. I have no problem assisting you. Mama. Look at me, people. Vital. Yes. Oh gosh. Alright. Put some thing there, Mama Sue. Please. Yeah, man. If I have one somebody in a comment, I go say me greedy. I love you still. A joke. I'm not gonna say that, man. Just having a good time with my mom, you know? But remember, no peeps, no meat, no this, you know. Peas is good for you. All these natural, organic vegetables is good for you. You understand me? I say white flour, but it's just spinners. You understand? Not a lot, but you don't know. Yeah, man. Ital is vital. Look at this. Look at this, man. Yeah, boy, what you saying there, boy? Big up there, boy. Trinidad and Tobago, boy. Big up all Mama Sue Trinidadian fans there, boy.
Yes, bye.
Hello, mate. Watching for the first time, mate. Don't scroll or post that video, mate. Make sure you subscribe, blood. You see it, mate? Yeah, Mama Sue London subscriber there. You see what I say? Yeah. I don't know the original Jamaican subscriber there, you know. Yo, make sure you don't pause the video without subscribing, you know. Make sure you like and... Hey, brother. Get the thing of strength now, man. Make sure you like and subscribe. You see? Yeah, man. I don't know Mama so Nigerian subscriber, them African subscriber, them Kenya, Ghana. You don't know Uganda. You don't know Zimbabwe. The whole of Africa. You don't know big up Mama so thing now. Hey! Mama Sue, hey, subscribe, hey. And you don't know you can't afford to subscribe. Come away. Oui, ça passe d'abouler. Oui. Yeah. Shay. Yeah, peeps. Oh gosh, Mama Sue. Mama Sue, I'm a little greedy. Mama Sue, I'm a little greedy. Oh God, Mama Sue. I gotta deal with some Mama Sue. General peeps. Alright, peeps. So, I'm not really and truly, this is just a show. I'm not gonna heat this. I'm just gonna take 2 pictures for the artwork, and then we just scrape it back out in a pot. You understand me? I say, yeah, I'm not gonna eat this. You know that's a lie. You know that's a lie, because you know I'm gonna eat this, and I'm gonna eat everything. I'm gonna eat everything. Hey, me I go eat everything, hey? I love it. I love it. Yeah, peeps, so you don't know, you know. Listen to me now. Normally we don't cut that video here, then video back again, but no, we just gonna get straight to the point. Oh yeah. Mama Sue, listen to me, come. Hurry up and go and taste this. Make me done the video. And yeah. Big up your subscriber them. And them sitting there. And yeah, let's just do correct, yeah. Taste your one food. Please taste your one food. Give your one review. Yeah man, eat your spoon man. Taste your one food. Give your one review. And let's close the show. Please guys, may have things to go do.
Yes, babe. This is one wild and versatile.
Because of what?
Mama Sue style, man.
Okay, alright. Me just want them know that, alright? So please just hurry up and tell them what to do and me could get the ball. Mom, me have things to do, you know, mommy. I'm a busy man. I got things to do. I got things to do, mommy. I'm busy. Where you going, mama? Come on, please. Come on back here. Yeah. Alright,
Yes,
tell them
please.
like, share, subscribe. Like, share, subscribe, comment, and
Hit that little notification bell.
bling, ling, 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 ling.
When I upload new video,
You will be
can
what?
get notified.
Okay, peeps.
See you in my next video.
Stay blessed.
Respect.
Peace, love, unity. We love God continuously. You don't know, so we are just doing this because we love this. You understand me? I say, and you know, it's just the real, authentic. It's just nature. It's just hard to explain. It's just very hard to explain because it's beautiful, and that's why we have to give all the praises to God, the Almighty, the ruler of the earth, the ruler of the universe, and we love Him, and we're thankful for His creation, and we're thankful for this, the opportunity for life, to create memories and to create love and all of that, you know. So bless upon yourself, and remember, if you're watching this video for the first time, please like, share, comment, and most importantly, subscribe and be a part of the family. Be a part of the blessing, be a part of the love, be a part of the unity. Yes, we love y'all.